Hey everyone! I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today, we are taking a look at HBAR, which has been showing some really strong bullish momentum over the last 24 hours. Trading volume has increased significantly, indicating some rapidly growing buying interest. This is one of the coins we have been watching closely, and it is now breaking out with some solid momentum. Earlier today, I shared the latest trade setups with our premium members, including the ideal entry zone, breakout confirmation level, stop loss, and multiple profit targets. Once that breakout was confirmed, the price started moving higher, just as expected. If you want to catch these moves before they happen, join our Patreon trading community for just $20 per month. You will get daily market analysis. Now let's look at the chart. The key bullish breakout confirmation is a strong close above 0.0705 to 0.0710 with increasing trading volume. If HBAR holds above this breakout zone, it could signal the start of another leg higher. On the downside, the first support level I am watching is 0.0697. If that level fails to hold, the next major support comes in around 0.0648, which is exactly where buyers may look to step back into the market. On the upside, my first target is 0.0740, followed by 0.0768. If buying momentum continues and volume remains strong, our next major upside target is 0.0845. Let me know your thoughts on HBAR down in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? If you enjoy these daily crypto updates, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our Patreon using the first link in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And a quick reminder, guys, this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any trading or investment decisions.